welcome back to my channel, friends. Hope you all are good and please stay at home. So I'm back with another video, and this video is about 5 must-have shoes for your summer wardrobe. So shoes are really an important part of your overall look. So I am going to help you with the 5 essential shoes. If you have these 5 shoes, you'll be sorted for every kind of occasion. So yes, let's start this essentials video with 5 must-have essential shoes for your wardrobe. Let's get started. So the first in the list is a black pump, and girls, really this is an essential. If you'll go and find out the essentials of your wardrobe, then this is one of those items which is really an essential, a must have for your wardrobe. You can wear it in your office, you can wear it in any meeting, in formal functions, informal meetings. You can wear it anywhere, literally anywhere, and with any outfit. You don't need to think about pairing these shoes with any item. So I think a black pump is really a must have, and make sure that they'll be comfortable, because most of the time it has a little heel. So go for a very comfortable shoes, choose the right size. But yes, black pump is really an essential. The first in the list is a black pump. So here comes the second one, which is a white sneaker, and I can bet on this thing that you all are agree with me. White sneakers are also, nowadays it becomes an essential for your shoe wardrobe, because nowadays women want comfort, and I think white sneaker give you comfort as well as style. So white sneakers are also a must have. You can pair it with every outfit, and especially if you are traveling, if you are on vacation, then I think this is a really must have shoe for your vacation, because you can pair it with your dresses, with your denims, with everything, and without compromising with comfort. So I think white sneakers are also a must have shoe for your shoe wardrobe. And really the pairing options are so much. You don't need to think too much about pairing these shoes, because they really go with most of the outfits and provide you so much comfort and so much style. So yes, the second is a white sneaker. Here comes the third item in the list, which is a nude heel, which is my personal favorite, because it makes you look a little taller, and that thing I really love. So yes, the first thing which I tell you, if you want to look a little longer or taller, then you have to go for a nude heel. And nude heels are also, if you are a working woman, then also it becomes an essential for you, because nowadays in work wear, most of the people prefer nude heels or nude sandals, and there are so many pairing options for this. You don't need to much think about the pairing options. So I think this is the first choice of lazy girls, because they don't need to think about it. So yes, nude heels are also a must have, and I really love them. So the next option here comes is flats. So we have talked about so much about heels, so now the picture is about flats. So this is my personal favorite, because I especially bought this for ethnic wears, but yes, we can wear these kind of flats with western wear also. So I think you can pair it with everywhere. Even you can wear it with ethnic wear in your office also, and they are so comfortable and yet stylish. So if you don't want to compromise with comfort, then I think you should go with these kind of flip-flops. But yes, if you don't like these kind of things, then you can go for loafers, bellies. There are so many options available in flats, but I really like these kind of sandals or flip-flops, which really goes well with ethnic wear. So yes, the fourth in the list is a flat. And here comes the last thing, which is a party heel. So we talked about all the basic shoes, but what about party? Party is also an essential thing in our culture. There are so many festivals, there are so many things going on throughout the year. So I think party heels are also very important. So I bought this beautiful colorful heel. You can go with flats also if you think you are tall enough. I'm just helping you with this styling. So yes, these are colorful nowadays. Neon color heels are in so much trend, so that's why I bought this one. I really like this one. They are so comfortable. But you can go with these studded ones or whatever is your type. You can go with that kind of heel. But yes, a party heel is really a must have, so that you can be sorted for all the kind of Indian festivals, or either you can go you can wear these kind of heels in a western party also. So yes, a party heel is also a must have. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all from me, and please let me know about your comments in the comment section about the video. Also let me know what you want to see the next, so that I can make video on that. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so